Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net, and thank you for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today. And today we're actually opening a birthday gift that was given to me by a friend. It's Pinky and the Brain, the complete series. Now, to be clear, Pinky Elmira and the Brain is not on the set. I have mixed feelings about that because on one hand, I think it is technically part of the series. On the other hand, I do not plan on rewatching Pinky Elmira and the Brain anytime soon. Like not anytime soon. Ironically I do have that on DVD because I found it for like $3. It's like, okay, sure, $3 for a whole season, but I have not watched it. But for completionist sake, I have it. But I never had Pink the Brain. Now, this is a funny show. This was a spinoff of Animaniacs. It actually started as a primetime show, though it was still G-rated. And I'm going to be honest, my favorite Animaniacs character was Slappy Squirrel. I always wanted to see a Slappy Squirrel show, and they did do a full-length episode of Slappy Squirrel and Animaniacs one time. But that being said, in hindsight, these probably were the best characters to get an actual TV series from. It has a concept where they're trying to take over the world and always failing. That could be turned into a TV show and everything like that. Slappy Squirrel was probably best in 7-minute increments because they were like, a homage to the old Looney Tune shows and all that stuff. But you gotta love how Steven Spielberg's name is prominently displayed here. This has that little logo they did when they were briefly owned by AT&T. We have the back. There's 3 bonus featurettes. I'm hoping it doesn't really list the episodes here, but I'm hoping that the holiday special, well, not the holiday, the Christmas special is here. Let's open this. Let's see what it looks. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'm betting you that most of the discs that are in this set are probably the same discs that were on the individual sets, just repackaged. I don't object to that the way some people do. I'm kind of like, well, look, convenient collection, one price. Although, again, this was a gift, so I didn't actually pay for it. So let's open. Wow, it's actually kind of stuck. Oh, there we go. All right, and all right. Well, first things first. All right, so I can pretty much tell you from the get-go that whoa, some discs are falling out. Oh my gosh, this is what I don't like about these sets. Now, I should make a correct. oh my goodness! Like, gotta love those things. Well, so anyway, just so you know, I made a mistake last time. This holder was never supposed to be attached. I think I said that on the Dexter's Lab unboxing, and people pointed out, oh no, it's not supposed to be attached. I was like, okay, well, that makes more sense. So we do have a slip that actually tells you what the episodes are, what volume they're on. Are you pondering what I'm pondering? I like the special feature. Do they have the Christmas? Okay, they have the Halloween episode. That's good. I'm sure the Christmas special, it has got to be on here somewhere. Some of you might have even seen it. Oh, a Pinky and the Brain Christmas. There it is. All right, so let's look at these discs while I slowly. Oh my gosh, like they almost every single one of them fell off. That's like so amazing. Okay, so at least all the discs have new artwork. There's Brain. There's Pinky. I think they're primarily going to be switching between Pinky and Brain. Some of these, I think this one's actually like, I think that one's broken. What a great they do. But yeah, each one has their own individual artwork. This one, like, unfortunately, even though it's nice to have everything at one price, the way that they're put together is not the greatest. This is like, at least these ones kind of stuck together. See, one of the problems is like these little prongs. A couple of them have like broke already, so I have to do this individually. Okay, so let's find. So here's disc one for volume, I think 4. Oh, volume 3. Here's disc 2. Did I get them mixed up? See, once they start falling out, then it's like really hard. I'm getting my fingerprints all over these things. This is actually one of the reasons, one of the bad things about some of these DVD collectors. Like, if you actually ended up being a psychopath and you decided to go commit a crime of some sort, if they go into your house and they see you have a big DVD collection, it's like they're gonna go for the DVDs to find your fingerprints, because they're all over them. Okay, good. Got that one. Okay. Got disc 3. And then we have disc 4. So there we go. They all kind of stand out. Let me remove this temporarily to. These are far from the most ideal way for these discs to be held. By the way, if these were the kind of cases that DVDs had begun with, I can guarantee you more and more people would have gotten rid of their cases and gotten those binders. I would never do that because that destroys discs. But I could see why it would be the case. They don't even have a holder here for this thing. So, all right, there's Pinky and the Brain, the complete series. Again, it doesn't have the Pinky Elmira and the Brain show on there, so it's in some ways it's not complete, but in other ways it is. It also doesn't have any of the Animaniacs Pinky and the Brain episodes, so I mean, complete is probably stretched a little bit in this definition. But this is a great show. I love it. And even though the discs are not held together in the way that I would want them to, it's still nice to have them, especially as Max, which primarily has been purging a lot of old Kids WB and Cartoon Network shows recently. I think they just removed Static Shock and things like that. So actually, since they removed Static Shock, I'm probably going to go buy the complete DVD series of that. So it's good to have the DVDs to keep them and preserve them, because these things don't stand the streaming services. But there you go. So I'm curious, how many of you own this set or own Pinky and the Brain in general? What do you think of Pinky and the Brain? Is there an Animaniacs character that you would have wanted to see a spin-off series of? I would love to know, so you can comment below and we can get the discussion going. And I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.